So today we take up note making. So children, there is one question in the examination in the comprehension part which is note making. Fine. In note making, what you need to do? You need to make notes for the given passage and you need to summarize the given passage. Fine. So now whenever we make notes for a particular thing, first of all we should know that what is the purpose of making those notes. The purpose is to revise lessons, to report something, to plan a lecture or presentation and to summarize something. Fine. So whenever we need to revise a lesson or whenever we want to report something or we want to plan a lecture or a presentation or we want to summarize something, we prepare notes. Okay. Now what are the two major components of note making? One is the storing and another is retrieval. See, very often we are required to store some information for future use. Fine. So that is the purpose of making the notes. Fine. Another thing is that whenever we store anything, it is of no use if we are not able to retrieve it whensoever it is needed. So the main components of note making happen to be storing. पहले तो आपको information store करनी है, then the retrieval. Whensoever it is needed, then at that time it should be available to you. It should be easily retrievable. Now how we need to make the notes? First of all, we must give a suitable, whatsoever is the passage, we need to give a suitable title to the passage. Fine. And then we write the heading and we provide subheadings paragraph wise. Okay. So first of all, what we will do? We will just go through the passage and then we will think of a suitable title and then we need to split that passage into portions in our mind and then give headings and the subheadings. Fine. And at the end we just make one box and we just write key to abbreviations over there and then we give the explanation for the abbreviated forms that we have used in the notes. Now, what are the characteristics of note making? First of all, the sentences that we write in the headings and subheadings, they are not complete sentences. Fine. We can omit some words like articles, conjunctions, fine, pronouns or relative pronouns, I mean which are basically understood without being written. Such things are omitted. So we write the incomplete sentences. So grammatical errors are not at all taken into consideration while we make the notes. Okay. Another thing is that the notes, they are shorter than the original text. हम notes तभी बनाएंगे अगर वो कंटेंट छोटा हो जाएगा ताकि हम जब उसको रिवाइज कर रहे हैं वी टेक लेस टाइम. Okay, so meaning thereby that the notes, they are shorter than the original text. Okay. Another important thing is that we present a condensed information. Okay. How do we present a condensed information? By using certain devices like abbreviations, symbols, shorter words or numbers. For example, if you are making notes for something and you need to write the word and, so you will write this. Fine. Or you just say precipitation, you write PPT. So meaning thereby that you are using the abbreviated forms or you use the symbols for particular things. Okay. Maybe you are using this for implies. Okay. So information can be presented in a condensed form. Another important thing is that while making the notes, we have to be systematic in presenting the information. Whatsoever information we are presenting through the notes, that should be done in a very systematic way. Clear? Now I'm going to tell you the format that we need to learn for making the notes. It is indented format. Fine. In indented format, what is there? That first of all, you will write the title in not more than 3 words. Fine. The title can be of 1, 2 or 3 words, not more than 3 words. Then you write number 1. This is the heading. Like the heading is introduction. Okay. And then you write the subheadings. Fine. Subheadings numbering is to be done like this: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Then you come on to the second part. You write the second major heading. Okay. Maybe the problems. Fine. And then you write the subparts: 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. The third part may be the solution. Okay. Then you write the heading and then write the subheadings. Now, always keep in mind that the title and the headings, they do not exceed 3 words. Okay, so 3 words से ज़्यादा आपने अवॉइड करना है टाइटल लिखना और हेडिंग्स लिखना. और जो सब हेडिंग्स हैं उसमें भी यू नीड नॉट राइट वेरी लॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस. ओके, राइट शॉर्टर सेंटेंसेस. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर दैट नो नीड टू give more emphasis to the grammatical part. Fine, grammatical errors, they are considerable here. And at the end what you will do, that you will make one box, and on the top you will write key to abbreviations. Okay, and here you write the abbreviations. For example, you have used these abbreviations. Fine, so what are these? These are the abbreviated forms, and here you will write the words like and, precipitation, okay, or second. So meaning thereby that you will write the abbreviated forms, and in front of the abbreviated forms you will write the whole word. Okay, now always keep in mind that you are to use a minimum of 4 abbreviations in these notes. Fine, जो भी कुछ आप abbreviations यहाँ इस box में लिख रहे हैं, those abbreviations must be used over here. Fine, ऐसा नहीं है कि you just write the abbreviations और यहाँ आप complete words लिखते रहो. No, you are to write the abbreviated forms here also. Okay, now I am going to tell you how the marks are split in this question. 1 mark is for the title, 3 marks are for the notes, and 1 mark is for this box, key to abbreviations. Okay, and here minimum of 4 abbreviations you are to write. Okay, so this is 5 marks. 5 marks for note making, and 5 marks remain for the summary. Summary is the B part. In summary, what you need to keep in mind is that you will frame a summary of the passage using all these notes only. Okay, and what else you need to keep in mind is that the word limit of summary should be 1/3 of the word limit of the original text. Meaning thereby that if the original text is of 100 words, the summary has to be of 200 words. Okay, so the summary remains 1/3 of the original text. Okay, thank you.